Hi guys, here is how you can cast your Android phone to Windows without any third-party applications. So to do that, go to the Start menu and type Settings. This is the one, open it, then go to System. Scroll down and click on Projecting to this PC. Now we need to add Wireless Display option feature to project to this PC. So click on Optional Features. In here, click on View Features. Click on See Available Features and search for Wireless Display. This is the one. Click on it and add it. This may take some time. If you're unable to install it from here, please check our other video to install it using CMD or PowerShell. So it has been installed. Took about 15 minutes. Close this and go back to System. Go to Projecting this PC and you can see the option Launch the Wireless Display app to project to this PC. Click on it. Now let me open the Android phone. Now on your phone, swipe down from the top. You will find Smart View here. Please note, depending on your phone's model, the name could be different, such as Smart View, Smart Share, Screencast, etc. Anyway, tap on this and here is the PC name. Tap here and start now. And now you can see it is projecting on the PC. Please note, you cannot control the device from the PC. If you want to do that, please check our other video. Hope this video was useful. Thank you very much.